Hello everyone, hope you all are fine and you all are doing well. In today's video, we are going to draw a rabbit, a bunny with the help of a simple hack. For this video, we are going to write 2, then a 0, then an other 0. After writing this, you are going to draw a semicircle on the top of two zeros and then a big semicircle or complete circle around 2. A rabbit is almost completed. Let's draw its ears. After drawing the ears of the rabbit, now it's time to give some details to the feet of the rabbit. Draw some lines to give the detail. Draw eyes, nose, mouth, some mustaches, some ears to your rabbit eyes, tail of the rabbit. Our rabbit is completed. Now let's color it. I like the rabbit's bunny hoops. Do you like it? Rabbit is a pet animal. People used to have rabbit as a pet in their homes. They are also in the zoos and in forest. Do you like rabbits? Let me know in a comment. Rabbit like to eat carrot the most. Yes, you heard it right. Rabbit like the carrots. Do you watch bunny cartoons? I used to watch the bunny cartoons in my childhood. Let me know in comment, do you like the bunny? The Bugs Bunny was my favorite cartoons. Our drawing is completed. With this simple hack, you can draw a rabbit very easily at your home only by writing 2 and 00. Means 200. Keep supporting. Hope you find this video very useful. Take care. Keep supporting. Your support means a lot.